naloloma siya nga nialani. Siya nga nilaipan din ditakin, ronrot siya namay. Kaya bakawan daw bakawala na tunaloloma ni Kalaw, kere-kere mbong ni kuwa. Lakamay. Mokila nilomani ko chun Kalaw. Yes, God really loves you. Come and commit your life to Jesus. Stop committing sins, youth. He died on the cross, shed his precious blood because of you and me, because of our sins. His grace, His mercy, His love. You'll come to Jesus. Jesus is enough. Jesus is enough. Roji chisuma. Kunya bawele tale no mumbonge na mbonge ni kuwa. Sereki ko nikuwa elabechi ko talenga nikuwa chisu nikuwa ngango yes, His grace, His love is sufficient to all of us. Please surrender your life. Surrender your life to Jesus. Open your heart. Invite Jesus. He's knocking at the door of your heart tonight. Revelation 3:20. Behold, I stand at the door and knock. Sa tuki-tuki chunga. Mbongi ni kuwa, mbongi nono tuki-tuki chunga ni. Nono loloma. Sa rauti ko baobinaka. Yo. Nono loloma sa rauti baobinaka. No, His love is sufficient to all of us.